The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. When I was growing up in Missouri, almost all our neighbors kept pet parrots. Sometimes they would learn to talk. They would say things like,
"Study, child, study!" or "Don't be greedy!"
But a parrot refused to talk. He had been bought by Aunt Ruby from a bird catcher. She tried to teach him to talk, but to no avail. The parrot disliked her. One day, he pushed my aunt's spectacles off her nose. After this incident, Aunt Ruby also started disliking the parrot. She started making faces at him and calling out, "You are useless! Can't talk, can't sing, can't dance!" I was given the responsibility of feeding the parrot. He was quite happy to take green chilies, pieces of papaya, and ripe tomatoes from my hand. One afternoon, by mistake, I left the cage door open. Seconds later, the bird flew away. Aunt Ruby was upset. I thought that we would never see the parrot again. But maybe he missed his green chilies. A few days later, I saw the bird sitting on the veranda railing and looking at me. Just then, Aunt Ruby came and cried out, "Look! It's my parrot! He must have missed me!" The parrot looked angrily at my aunt and shrieked,
"You are useless! Can't talk, can't sing, can't dance!"
Aunt Ruby turned ruby red and ran inside. After that, whenever he saw Aunt Ruby, he would call out,
"You are useless! Can't talk, can't sing,